Updating your corporate address on Insperity is a straightforward process that ensures your business information remains current. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Insperity account. Visit the Insperity website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your corporate information. Step 2. Navigate to Company Settings. Once logged in, locate the Company Settings or Profile section in the dashboard. This area contains all the essential information related to your business. Step 3. Find the Address section. In the Company Settings, look for the section labeled Address or Corporate Address. This is where you can view and edit your current address details. Step 4. Update your address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating the address, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm the new information is recorded. Make sure to review your updated address periodically to ensure it remains accurate. Keeping your corporate information current is essential for effective communication and compliance.